Now I want to add one more microservice to our project. That microservice will be responsible to send out emails. So inside the services, let me create one more project here. We'll make it an API project, and I will call this mango.services.email. Let's create that. And when will we send the email? We will send out an email as soon as a payment is confirmed. So if you remember from our payment API, we return a message. We return the updated payment result message, which has the status ID, which has the order ID and status. On top of this, I also want to return an email. So when this message is being sent to the order service, it updates the order status to be 1. At the same time, we want to use the same message and we want to subscribe to the same topic in our email service. So as soon as a message is sent to the topic, we will have 2 subscribers. And both the subscribers will process the message. How will we implement that? Right here, we will add another property of, let's say, email, and we need to populate this when we publish the message. So if we go back inside the messaging, we have the Azure Service Bus Consumer, and if we go to the method here, we can process email. For that, we need to request the email inside the payment request message. So on here, if we press F12, we need to add one more property here, which will be email. And then this message will actually be sent from the orders API. So inside the orders API, we have the payment request message right here. Let me add string email. We will copy this and I will also add that in the update payment result message. So perfect. Now the email will be available. If we go to our service bus consumer, we will receive an email and we will assign that like this. But I also forgot one thing inside our order API, Azure Service Bus Consumer, where we are publishing the message right here, we need to configure email as well. So we'll pass the email. That way it will be available whenever we need it in the message. So with this, we have updated the payment request message to configure email, and we added a new project for email. We need to set up this new microservice. Let's do that in the next video.